Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the first episode of Virgin River Season 5, which just premiered on Netflix. If you haven't watched it yet, be warned that this video will contain spoilers. So, if you don't want to know what happens, stop watching now and come back later. Summary: Virgin River is a drama series based on the novels by Robyn Carr. It follows the lives and loves of the people in a small town in Northern California. The main characters are Mel Monroe, a nurse practitioner who moved to Virgin River from Los Angeles after a personal tragedy, and Jack Sheridan, a former Marine who owns the local bar and grill. In Season 4, we saw Mel and Jack get engaged and find out that they are expecting a baby together. However, they also faced some challenges, such as Jack's ex-girlfriend Charmaine, who is pregnant with his twins, and Vince, a drug lord who shot Jack at the end of Season 3. In Season 5, Episode 1, titled Episode Number 5.1, we see how Mel and Jack deal with the aftermath of the shooting. Jack survives the attack, but he has to undergo surgery and recover in the hospital. Mel stays by his side and tries to comfort him, but she also worries about their future as a family. She tells him that she loves him and that he is the father of her baby, but he doesn't seem to be very happy about it. He says that he feels guilty for putting her in danger and that he doesn't deserve her. Meanwhile, the town of Virgin River is threatened by a wildfire that is spreading fast and forcing people to evacuate. Doc Mullins, the town doctor who is suffering from an eye condition that could make him blind, decides to stay behind and help the patients who can't leave. His wife Hope, the town mayor who is recovering from a car accident in another city, tries to reach him by phone but can't get through. She fears for his safety and hopes that he will be okay. Other characters also face their own problems in this episode. Preacher, Jack's best friend and chef at his bar, has to deal with Paige's disappearance after she killed her abusive ex-husband Wes. He finds out that Wes' brother Vince is looking for her and wants revenge. He also meets a new woman named Sasha, who seems to be interested in him. Lizzie, Connie's niece who works at Jack's bar, has to say goodbye to Ricky, her boyfriend who is joining the Marines. She also learns that Denny, Doc's grandson who has been staying with them, has a terminal illness and doesn't have much time left. Review: I thought this episode was very intense and emotional. It had a lot of drama and suspense, but also some moments of humor and romance. I liked how it showed how the characters cope with different situations and support each other. I think the actors did a great job portraying their roles and expressing their feelings. I especially liked Alexandra Breckenridge as Mel and Martin Henderson as Jack. They have great chemistry and make me root for them. I also liked how the episode ended with a cliffhanger that makes me want to watch the next one right away. It showed Mel finding out that she is having twins, which is a big surprise for her and Jack. It also showed Hope getting into another car accident while trying to get back to Virgin River. I wonder what will happen to them and how they will deal with these new developments. Outro. So that was my review of Virgin River Season 5 Episode 1. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know what you think of this episode in the comments below. What did you like or dislike about it? What are your predictions for the next episode? I would love to hear your opinions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.